How to hide apps on iPhone iOS 18. With the release of iOS 18, users can enhance the security and privacy of their apps by utilizing a lock feature. This feature requires authentication through Face ID, Touch ID, or the user's passcode to access specific apps. Additionally, the content within these locked apps will be concealed from searches, notifications, and other areas of the system, ensuring that unauthorized individuals cannot access sensitive information. While some default apps like Maps, Clock, Calculator, and Settings cannot be locked, almost all third-party and non-default apps can be secured with this feature. How to lock system apps on Apple iOS 18. Follow these steps to lock the system app. Step 1. Press and hold the icon of the system app you wish to lock. A quick action menu will open. Step 2. Select Require Face ID, or Touch ID or Passcode. Step 3. Confirm by selecting Require Face ID, or Touch ID or Passcode, again. Once the app is locked, then you need to require Face ID authentication to access apps once it's locked. Lock third-party apps. Step 1. Press and hold the icon of the third-party app you'd like to lock. The quick action menu opens. Step 2. Select Require Face ID, or Touch ID or Passcode. Step 3. Confirm by selecting Hide and Require Face ID, or Touch ID or Passcode, again. Your iPhone will then prompt you to confirm whether you really want to hide the app. To enhance privacy, the app icon and name will be eliminated from the home screen, relocating the app to the concealed hidden folder. How to access hidden apps on iPhone iOS 18. Accessing the app requires swiping through the app library. Once you've scanned your face with Face ID, the content will be unveiled. Another way to access hidden app is through Settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Hidden Apps. Step 2. Select Don't Require Face ID, or Touch ID or Passcode. When you unhide a third-party app, it appears in the app library. You can then add it back to your home screen by long pressing the icon and selecting Add to Home Screen.